In 2020, an investor put 3 crore rupees into DHA Phase 6. At the same time, another investor put the 3 crore rupees into shares of Dolmen City REIT. Let's find out who made more money. Most Pakistanis gravitate toward DHA because that's what our parents did. But let's run the math. Back in 2020, a 1 canal file in DHA Phase 6 cost around 3 crore rupees. Fast forward 5 years, and it's now worth around 5 crore rupees. That's a profit of 2 crore rupees. Not bad. But here's where it gets crazy. If instead you had invested in Dolmen City REIT DCR at around 11 rupees a share, your 3 crore rupees will have gotten you approximately 2.7 million shares. With a share price today of 33.6 rupees a share, your initial investment would now be worth approximately 91.5 million rupees, yani 9 crore 15 lakh. But wait, REITs are legally required to distribute a large portion, typically 90% of their income. So you would have also been getting cash dividends every single year. Over 5 years, that would total nearly 2.4 crore rupees in rent sent directly to your bank account. So your total return would have been 6 crore 15 lakh rupees in capital gains, 2 crore 40 lakh rupees in dividends. That's a total return of 8 crore 55 lakh rupees, a 285% return. That's more than 4 times the return compared to the 2 crore profit on the DHA plot. With the REITs, there is zero tension. You don't pay property tax or deal with paperwork. Plus with REITs, you can invest as little as 500 rupees, sell anytime you want, and face no stamp duty, no registry costs, and no agents taking a cut. The world has moved forward. Real estate is not just about land anymore. It's about REITs. It's listed, it's transparent, and it's truly passive. If developers in Pakistan really cared about investors, they'd give us more REITs, not files. Send this to someone who's still obsessed with buying plots. And comment DM and I'll send you the full math of this DCR versus DHA comparison in a free PDF.